camera. So calibration tayo din. Ito na. Personalize. Setting. Calibration. Siya nang bala mag-detect dyan. It's importante ma-format lang natin lahat ng cloth. Successful calibration. So goods na to. So turn off natin ngayon para mag-restart mas mabilis. Okay. So Ranger Wild Track 4x2 360 installation. Yun. How beautiful it is. So, gano'n na siya aganda. So, nakalibrate na kasi. So, ang ganda niya na. So, nakita na lahat. So, wala nang distorted area. So, papansinin nyo, wala nang distorted yan. Okay. So, as you can see, you can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom out. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Subic so yan may gusto magpa-unlock PPMS message lang. So ito, okay. Zoom in, zoom out. So ayan siya. Ang ganda na. So kitang-kita na lahat. Kasi nga nakakalibrate na natin na maayos. So front, pantay na yung front niya. Then pantay na din siya. So rear, pantay na yung rear. Goods na. Then left and right, pantay na din siya. So ayan. So top hood, top hood, malinis na tignan. Then rear trunk, malinis na din tignan. Then pantay na pantay siya. So full stepboard. Then hanggang rear yan kita. So buong stepboard mo ito, pati yung rear tire mo andyan, kita na din. So ito, finish na tayo. So setting, so system, so radar trigger on natin kasi may sensor ka sa ulian, right? Radar sensor to. So ayan. So wrap up na, ganda. So yun. So yes, you can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in. So risk scanning. Auto scanning lagi yan pagka on mo. So integrated na din yung mga pinto natin pag binuksan. Kindly check the door sir. See? So ganun siya integrated. So napakaganda. So step left. Pwede mo siyang i-2D sa settings kung gusto mo 2D ang nakikita mo. Gawin mo dito lang. So 2D na yan. So try natin ulit. Turn signal tayo ha. 2D. Ito ang 2D. Automatic. Okay. So you can change it depende sa preference nyo kung anong gusto nyo. So 3D. Kapag narrow dalawa. Kapag attonity means absent yun. So kahit mag-trigger ka na mag-trigger dito, wala siyang hindi lalabas yun. Okay. So palitan natin ulit. 3D, all goods na dito. Okay, system setting. So wala naman dapat galawin dito, all goods na. So okay na to. Then version, ayan ang version ng 360 natin. So yung USB natin dito, automatic po yan, magre-record pagka nilagay nyo 256 GB. Okay,
256 GB.
So ayan, all goods na.
I have one, let's try.
No, yun ano na, nag-record.
Yeah.
So it's recording. So
Okay.
it's working fine. All camera, so you can later we will show you all the cameras in recording. Ito sir, this one. So recorder. So enter play. So if you want to watch the save videos here. You see? File, you can play. It's so clear.
Oh.
That's the recording. It's record na already. So you can
Front.
tap here if you want. If you want to see it. Okay.
Ah.
So this one is fish eye.
Ah, yes.
Fish eye only. See that? Yeah. Yeah.
Left side. Okay, and this one?
So you can drag it if you want.
Ah. Play. It is.
Yeah. So.
Mm. Okay.
If you want to exit the playlist, okay.
Oh. Okay.
If you want to turn it off, stop. So this time is to full record everything.
Ah. Good. Good. So,
Okay. Front, see how rear, pantay
Rear.
din siya. It's in alignment na. Nice view. Rear to rear,
Yeah.
as you can see, you won't be bumped anymore when you are backing up.
okay. Good. From top view,
Yeah,
Top
good.
view
Yeah, but
front. top view back.
before it
Yeah.
has you can see the tire.
Yeah. Before it was different. Yeah.
Misalignment because
Yeah.
that we
Not-
need to
not yet
calibrate it first.
calibrated.
Yes. Now you see there's no distorted area na. It's clear, perfect clear. And also the 3D.
This one, when you leer as a sensor,
reverse.
tidit,
Yeah.
sounds.
It will appear here the sensor.
Ah.
It will it integrated. That's why I choose the radar. As you can see, radar trigger on.
Okay.
I'm gonna go there. You will see the. Okay. I'm gonna go there, so it will beep. Okay.
Okay.
You will just reverse. I'm gonna go there in the sensor. Okay. Okay. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It appears, right? Yeah. It's integrated. You see there's a line red.
Yeah, here,
green.
red,
Yeah,
green.
it's integrated and it's already beeping, right?
Yeah. Back door. Here.
Back door, of course. It will open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice. It's all integrated.
Good.
Yes.